This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, French pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce and how to say Corsica, how to translate Corsica in French, and how to pronounce it the French proper way. So how do you go about translating Corsica? Well, in French you do not say Corsica, but rather Corse. Corse. So for the typical French pronunciation, obviously you have to apply the French R, which I know is difficult to pronounce, but to pronounce it the French way you have to say Corse. Corse. So do not say Corsica, do not say Corse, that would sound a little bit odd. Say Corse. It'd be alright to say Corse. Corse. Do insist on the E at the end to sound a little bit more French. Corse. The typical French pronunciation again, Corse, la Corse, l'île de Corse, the island of Corsica, the island of Corse. I hope this video was useful. Enjoy your trip around Corsica, enjoy your trip around Corse, and I hope this video was useful, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir, bye bye.